Hey everyone, I'm Alexandra, and let me show you how I request videos in Dadan. A common situation for me is when I need structured responses, whether it's screening candidates, collecting testimonials, or even understanding customer issues. So instead of scheduling calls or chasing replies, I just send a video request. Inside Dadan's dashboard, I click on Create and select Video Recording Request. Now, here's where I set everything up. For the recording title, I'll keep it clear and specific. For example, introduce yourself and walk through your experience. Then in the recording instructions, I'll guide them properly. Something like, please record a short video introducing yourself, talk about your background, your recent experience, and walk through one project you've worked on. If possible, share your screen while explaining your work. This is important because the clearer you are here, the better the responses you get. I can also choose how I want the submissions to come in. So I can allow multiple responses if I'm collecting inputs from different people, or enable or disable anonymous submissions if I don't want to restrict access. Under the advanced options, I can also set a deadline so responses come in within a specific time frame. And here I can also choose the recording mode, camera only, screen only, or both screen and camera. So if it's a testimonial, the users might just use the camera, but if it's a demo or explanation, they can also share their screen. I can also leave the choice up to the user if I don't have any strict requirements regarding the video I request. Another important feature here is the password protection. So I can decide that opening the link requires a password. And I'm just setting the password and sending it to the user. This is giving extra privacy to both sides. Once everything is ready, I generate the link and share it. On the user's end, they simply open the link and record their response. If I gave them a free choice, they can choose between camera, screen, or both. What's important, they don't have to register anywhere. They simply click on record, and that's how it goes. Once they're done recording, the video is uploaded directly to my dashboard. From here, I can view everything in one place. No files, no follow-ups, and no back and forth. I've been using this a lot for candidate screening, collecting testimonials, and even understanding customer queries more clearly. It just makes collecting responses structured and a lot easier to manage. Also, did I mention you can do this on your mobile phone? You just go to app.dadan.io, click on Create, then Video Recording Request, and the candidate can even open the link on their phone, record the video there, and send it directly from their mobile. Sounds easy, right? Go check it out.